Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Valor Mortis Playtest game Unhandled exception access violation error on PC. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch option. You can try -dx11 or -dx12 or -d3d11. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Valor Mortis Playtest game, select properties. Now in the launch options type -dx11, then close the tab, then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties, this time type -dx12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties, this time type -d3d11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the properties, remove the command and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Second solution is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Valor Mortis Playtest game, select manage, browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now double click this Minotaur.exe file and launch the game and check if it is working or not. If not, then open the Minotaur folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder. Now right click on this Minotaur Win64 shipping exe file, then click on properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here, from the game installation folder, and then check. If that doesn't work, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If still not working, then select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If still not working, you can also check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then untick all these three boxes, hit apply, OK, and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3. Windows security users allow the game exe file to the control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. Open program files x86 folder. Open Steam folder. Open Steam app folder. Open common folder. Now open Valor Mortis Playtest folder. Select Minotaur.exe file and click open to edit. Again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now open Minotaur folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select Minotaur Win64 shipping exe file, click on open. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. Now browse to the game installation folder. Open program x86 folder. Open Steam folder. Open Steam apps folder. Open common folder. Open Valor Mortis Playtest folder. Now select Minotaur.exe file and click open. Then click on add. Now in my case it is already added. Again click on browse. Open Minotaur folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select Minotaur Win64 shipping exe file. Click open. Click on add. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark. Then click on OK to save changes. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus program such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can also simply turn off your antivirus program for a while, launch the game, and later you can enable your antivirus program. Now fix 4 is to update your graphic card driver. So simply update your graphic card driver to the latest version and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you're having NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to the NVIDIA website. If you're having AMD graphic card driver, then go to the AMD website. If you're having Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links are given in video description. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you are on the NVIDIA website, here you have to select your version of graphic card driver and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download GeForce Game Ready driver. Whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then click on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then click on next. So check mark perform a clean installation box, then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings, click open, click on add desktop app. Now go to the game installation folder, open program x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open Valor Mortis Playtest folder. Now open MyNetwork folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select MyNetwork Win64 shipping exe file, click on add. Now look for Valor Mortis and expand it. And next to GPU preference, select high performance. And then you can launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Valor Mortis Playtest game, select properties, go to install files tab, then click on verify integrity of beta files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to delete the Valor Mortis saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress. So keep the backup of this folder to the desktop first. So open File Explorer, go to C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder, then click on this view, show, and check mark hidden items. Then open app data folder, then open local folder, and look for MyNetwork folder. Now first right click on it, copy it and paste it to desktop first. And once you have the backup, then right click on it and select delete to delete it. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 8 is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website, link is given in video description. And once you are on this website, scroll down and download both x86 and x64 version, download both the version. Now you have to install both version one by one. So first click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair. If you see install option, then click on install and install it. Now click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair. If you see install option, then click on install and install it. And after installing both x86 and x64 version, restart your PC once and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to disable overlay. So disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Valor Mortis Playtest game, select properties. Now turn off, enable the Steam overlay while in game, then launch the game and check. Disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to the Windows settings, click on Windows Update on the left, then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install it. And then restart your PC once and then you can launch the game and check. Now if none of the solution work, then uninstall the game and then reinstall it. So simply uninstall your game, select manage, click on uninstall and then click on uninstall to confirm. Then restart your PC and then reinstall the Valor Mortis Playtest game to the C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing to another SSD drive or external drive and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you were able to solve Valor Mortis Playtest Unhandled exception access violation error on PC. So if this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.